Alright bro, I'm looking at this GJ supply right now. It is just turned New York session like 15 minutes ago. And I'm just looking to catch a win, man. That's about it. Gonna see if I can get a nice tap into the zone. I don't know if I like GJ or GU more, I ain't gonna lie. They're basically the same, but GJ's kind of got these highs acting as liquidity. They're a lot closer to the zone. I mean, it's also liquidity, but like, it's kind of past it. It's more just like a break of structure to the upside. Alright, we've tapped. I'm looking for a break of candle entry. So, yeah, let's see if we can get something in. It was rejecting real nice, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, some other motherfuckers in the Discord is taking this too. Let's go. Did close in the zone, but it's still good. Don't really like that candle. It's not really rejecting that hard. Oof. If not, there is another zone up here that could do something. Oh, that's horror. Yeah. Has it broken? On trading view, it actually closed outside the box. No, it didn't close outside the box. It wicked outside the box on trading view. But on MetaTrader, that's clean, I ain't gonna lie. Like, that is a hard rejection. 54 seconds till candle close. If I get a break of candle of this one right here, that would be quite a nice entry, to be honest. Candle close in 5 seconds. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, a little bit late on the break candle, but stop loss just above the zone. Where should I hold this to? Oof, that's a bad candle, but hopefully it will just retest, come back down. A 1-to-1 is around down here, but might take more than that. Did this zone get tapped into? No, it didn't. That might be my waypoint, as long as this doesn't just fucking lose straight away. Markets have been weird recently, bro. I'm telling you, nothing's holding. Nothing's doing anything. And that might include this trade. I don't trust it at all. I'm just let it go though. I'm gonna let it go. It's about a 1-to-2 if I take it down to there. Oh, it's over a 1-to-2. Hey, first we got to see some rejections off of this, because it ain't doing all that much. Can't really complain too much about the setup, man. It's just whether the market wants to hold it or not. That's what we like to see, man. Some good shit. It's a nice rejection. If we can continue with that momentum, then this is looking real nice. But like I said, I don't trust the markets right now. You know what? Fuck it. I don't know what's going on with this volume, but I might just walk away for a second. Damn. What the hell? Also, how am I only just out of drawdown? Pips out of my entry. I don't know what's going on with this volume. I was just gonna walk away, but they're just gonna shoot through. This volume has just come out of nowhere. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna just walk away. Hopefully come back to a win, ideally. So be right back. And we live to see another day. Wow. Kind of surprised, to be honest, with the volume that was kind of coming in. Let's see where my 1-to-1 is at. It must be close. My 1-to-1 is just around here. Damn, we ain't even that close. What the f? It looks closer on trading view, I'm telling you. We're just gonna keep holding this. Okay. Whilst it's looking like quite nice, I'm still pretty scared, you know? Look, my discipline ain't all the way there. My psychology ain't all the way there. So there's always something in me that's just like, you could just close. I mean, obviously I'm not going to close here. I ain't even hit a 1-to-1 yet, but I feel like I could hit a 1-to-2. Although I would have to break this low to hit that 1-to-2, which would be definitely possible. That is liquidity. Oh, there's 1-to-1. This is liquidity. And also there's a gap right here. So I reckon I might be able to take it down to there. That's looking real nice. But anyway, I'm gonna move my stop a bit tighter. And I'm still gonna walk away again. Yeah, see you in a second again. Be right back. Would you look at that? Shit. What a beautiful trade. Hey, took that shit with the Discord too, bro. We got some other people winning. Hey, what a beautiful day. Yeah, I don't really know what to say, man. I'll quickly break down this trade. So I'm gonna move some of these zones. Okay, so this is a high probability supply zone, and there was a break of structure right here. I always need to see a break of structure in my setups. That's just a very good confluence to tell you like where price is gonna go, which this is like kind of started a downtrend. Secondly, there was a gap in the zone, which makes it a much just high probability setup. This right here, breaking this high, I guess, this could just be seen as liquidity. And also on TradingView, where it tapped over this zone, it actually took this liquidity here. Usually I would consider a zone to be invalid once it's like even wicked outside, but it didn't on MetaTrader, so I was like, you know, it's cool. And I would say it just took liquidity from up here anyway, so that's even just another confluence. I got into the break of candle just as like confirmation, and I just wanted to take it down to this demand zone because there's a gap right here as well, and shit, broken straight through it. I could have held it for even longer, but I'll take my 1 to 2. I think it was a 1 to 2.12, not bad at all. But yeah, man, only thing I didn't like about the setup was that there were gaps above with another supply zone, and I thought maybe it would just shoot straight through this to hit into this zone. Join the Discord, follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting this win, I'll be posting my losses on this shit, and probably subscribe. Yep, that's about it. Peace.